It's a moment familiar to every dog owner. You meet a new person, a neighbor, a date, a delivery guy, and they seem perfectly pleasant. They smile, their voice is kind, and they even reach out to sniff you. But then it happens. Your dog, who usually loves everyone, tenses up. Their tail stops. They might let out a soft purr or simply retreat into another room. When your dog is wary of a person you consider normal, are you really understanding what they're trying to say? Is it just an aura? Or is there a complex biological reason why your dog can spot a bad person long before you do? Today, we'll delve into the hidden science of canine intuition to find out if your dog is actually a furry lie detector. To understand how a dog judges a person, we must first realize that they don't look at a person's clothing or listen to their polite small talk. They read a person's chemical makeup. When a person is deceitful, aggressive, or simply unkind, their internal chemistry changes. Stress, even the kind we try to hide, triggers the release of cortisol and adrenaline. While we can hide the trembling of our hands or the quivering of our voice, we cannot hide the scent of these hormones. Visual image, illustration of scent clouds emanating from a person. A good person has a soft blue aura. A deceiver has a sharp reddish aura. Narrator. To your dog, a bad person isn't necessarily a villain in a movie. It's someone whose scent says, "I'm stressed," or "I'm feeling aggressive," even if their face says, "I'm a friend." This chemical dissonance creates a huge alarm signal for your dog. They think, "Why does this person smell threatening but look like a friend? That's suspicious." Scientists have proven that dogs judge our morality based on how we treat others. In a landmark study at Kyoto University, researchers tested whether dogs would accept food from a person who was rude to their owner. The results were stunning. When a friendly person offered a treat, dogs happily took it. But when a person who was rude or unwilling to help their owner offered the same treat, most dogs refused. This is called social eavesdropping. Your dog constantly observes how strangers interact with you. They seek not just friends, but allies. If a person treats you disrespectfully, even subtly, your dog perceives that person as not a member of the pack. To your dog, a bad person is simply anyone who poses a threat to your peace of mind. Sometimes your dog's judgment of a person isn't about a stranger at all. It's about you. Dogs have a high density of mirror neurons, which allow them to synchronize their emotions with ours. If you meet someone and feel the slightest unease, maybe your heart rate increases by just 5 beats per minute, or you tighten your leash a fraction of a millimeter. Your dog senses it instantly. You may be trying to be polite and overcome your discomfort, but your dog doesn't care about social etiquette. It senses your surge of anxiety and assumes the person in front of you is the cause. At this point, it's not just judging you, it's acting as your emotional bodyguard. Dogs are also masters at reading micro-expressions. Humans have dozens of tiny muscles in their faces that we use to communicate. When we speak sincerely, these muscles move in a specific, fluid motion.